how to make money with NFTs in 2021 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by doing a make money with Ethereum NFTs, which we'll do by introducing you to the F-Face NFT, which are these cute little fingers that are used as faces, and they are quite cheap at the moment, 0.01 ETH. The fun part about these is by going to their website, which is fxckface.com, you can see, first of all, their rarities. They have 3 different ones: sick, awesome, and holy F. And now we're coming to the make money or passive income side of this NFT, the ES point, Elite Syrup Point. How does it work? These points reward you for holding onto an NFT created by the Elite Syrup. So that's the case with the F-Face NFT. As you can see, for faces, an ES point gives you voting rights in their DAO, as well as a cut of the 100% royalty sharing program. So what this means is 100% of the royalties they collect through secondary sales or sales on the secondary market of their NFT, as for example on OpenSea. Now these have all been minted, and once you buy one of these, they will collect a percentage fee of this price, which will then go into the royalty sharing program, and you will get a cut depending on how many of these you hold. Next step, there's also rewards, not only through NFTs, but also royalties from merchandise and much more. This depends all on the roadmap. As you can see, once 1,000 pieces have been released, we will randomly give so on and so forth. And we'd like to thank the holders in advance for bringing this to the point. We need our holders to help figure out what the next will be. So once they release 2.0 versions of these, you will probably also benefit by holding one of these. So you're earlier to mint, which will also give you a pretty neat way of making money and flipping them or holding them so that you have 2 and get a bigger percentage of the royalties. Now we're going over to Solana and make money on Solana. The first one I would like to introduce you to is Neue Ducks, which just recently decided to increase their royalty sharing from 50% to 100% due to some controversy with FTX, this huge marketplace that introduced Solana NFTs. And they said they won't want any NFTs on there that do royalty sharing due to problems with the SEC. So what these Neue Ducks did was just increase their royalty sharing from 50 to 100% in order to show their community that they are the number one priority for them and not the amount of money they themselves make. So what does this mean? All you got to do is hold one of these ducks and you'll get 100%, your share of 100% of the royalties these guys make on the marketplace. You can see on Magic Eden, the floor price is 8 Solana at the moment. And these look very cute, and I'm pretty sure these will go up in price as well, but don't quote me on that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And all you gotta do is just hold one of these in your wallet, and you get your fair share. As you can see under recent transactions, the floor was 8, and as you can see, someone bought for 10. For 7, the price rose, as you can see. This 6 hours ago, the floor was about 7.7. Someone bought for 35, 15. So that's a very good sign of this floor or collection going up, up, and up. There are only close to 100 listed out of 1,000. That's 10%. That's very decent. And the volume is huge. So these are definitely one to have an eye on. The last one that I want to show you would be the Meerkat Millionaires Club. These guys invented the, what's the twist? As you can see, they invented the 100% royalties go to minters and holders. So everyone that minted one of these still benefits from these royalties. Holders do way more though. Now, there are 9,999 of these meerkats. They are very, very cool. They remind me of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, but for Solana. Now, as you can see here, minters of the meerkats will receive 15% of royalties for all secondary market sales to come, and holders will receive 85% of royalties. So this means all you gotta do is hold one of these. Their community is very, very strong, which means their price will go up significantly, in my opinion. We're currently in a little slowdown of the market, but that's a very good time to pick one of these up. And once you hold one of these, you get 85% of the royalties for one of yours. Now, what you can see here on Twitter is the Meerkat reward status bot, which shows you a rough estimate of the amount of royalties you're getting, or your rewards, for being a minter would be $3.72. Now, if you are a holder and hold your Meerkat, you'll get 0.1303 Solana. And the last pair was 4 days ago, which is incredible. And as you can see, this was 25 minutes ago. This was an hour ago. This was $20.09. This is already $21.09. So this goes up extremely quickly. We can also go to Magic Eden and look at meerkats. As you can see, their floor is 12 Solana. It used to be way higher. And we can also look at the recent transactions. The floor is being not swept, but people are buying these at floor. They're also buying for 40 Solana, which means people are very much so interested in doing these long term. And these look quite cute. And if I were to have 12 Solana at the moment, I would definitely buy one of these. Or look into ducks, because ducks are only 8. And get myself a good 0.13 Solana every month, which is quite impressive. I do have to say, if the amount of people buying these on the secondary market slows down, the amount of royalties they collect will go down, and the amount of royalties they can provide you in rewards will go down as well. But you still have your NFT, and most likely these will go up in value, which is a double positive for you. That's how to make money with NFTs in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.